Hi friends, welcome to my video. This week I'm sharing a quick recipe. It's a quinoa and halloumi salad that you can eat at your desk if you're working from home and you can't get up, which has been happening more and more lately. I have to say, for Pranav, the work from home life is kind of a redundant one, and sometimes he has meetings all the way through lunch. So I've been trying to come up with recipes that he can eat at his desk without having to feel too guilty about, but which are still really delicious. I think what I like most about this is the fact that you can make everything the day before, layer it up in a cute mason jar, and then get it out of your fridge between meetings and bring it back to your desk. The main salad elements are very simple and they are completely swappable with anything that you have in your fridge or pantry. I'm using quinoa that is cooked in vegetable broth, but you could use couscous, farro, barley, brown rice, even mixed beans or chickpeas if you prefer. Now for the salad dressing, it contains a bit of olive oil, some minced garlic. I used honey, but you could use agave or even maple syrup if you wanted to keep this strictly vegan, some black pepper, lime juice or lemon juice if you don't have the lime. I think lemon would be fine, and some sumac, which is a Middle Eastern spice blend. I'm also using some baby spinach. You could substitute kale or collards if you prefer, and then some tomatoes. I'm also using a bit of fresh mint. If you don't have that, I think parsley would probably be a great substitute. And then finally, some halloumi cheese. There is nothing complicated about the dressing. You simply take all of the dressing ingredients and mix them together. At some point, give it a little taste, make sure you like the balance, and adjust if necessary, and you're done. I do want to say a little bit about the halloumi because it's not vegan. It's a cheese, obviously, and if you are vegan, I would suggest using a firm tofu. However, it would be really nice if you were to marinate that tofu. I do have a tofu marinade recipe, so I will link it in the cards, but even just salting your tofu a little bit will be very, very helpful to give it some added flavor. Now, here I am constructing my salad in a very Instagrammable or Pinterest inspired way. If this is something that you would like to do, I would suggest putting your grain on the bottom the way I did. That way, if there's any juice from the tomato, it will be absorbed by the grains, and then you can put more of your dry ingredients on top, also keeping in mind the color combination. I like that there's a bit of contrast between these ingredients. I think they look pretty in this order. And if you are going to layer up your salad in a mason jar, I would suggest that you keep the dressing separate from the salad until you're ready to eat it or serve it. The salad will keep longer in the fridge, the ingredients will remain fresh and crispy, and then you can have the pleasure of mixing up the salad at your desk. And that's all I have for you this week, friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you are working from home, working through lunch, let me know how you are managing your meals at your desk. I would love to get some ideas from you. So until next week, I hope you are safe and well, and I will leave you with Pranav's candid reaction to his lunch.
Is that tofu?
It's halloumi.
Ah, lovely.
It's the only really salty element, but then that's a honey sumac dressing. Okay, bon appetit. I'll bring you a utensil, a tall utensil.
Oh.
Enough tomato, Mahi? Is that enough tomato now? Okay. Okay, good. I'll stop chopping.